2026 Lamborghini Motorhome at the Tempesta Regale broken bar. Tempesta Regale equals royal storm. When raging performance unchains itself from the racetrack and conquers the open road, behold the Lamborghini Motorhome 2026, the Tempesta Regale. It's not just a motorhome. It's an Italian thunderstorm draped in gold-edged elegance, a fusion of bull-born fury and regal indulgence. Inverted exclamation mark, a presence of pure dominance. At 45.2 feet, the Tempesta Regale stands as a rolling fortress of carbon titanium power. Y-shaped laser headlights carve through darkness like fighter jet afterburners. An Aventador-inspired front fascia with matte forged carbon armor roars unmistakable Lamborghini DNA. Aeroflow fins and a sculpted shark spine roofline make it look like it's still hunting the horizon, even at rest. Broken bar interior, the bull's den of grandeur. Step in through scissor lift doors into a luxury cocoon styled like a hypercar cockpit stretched into a palace. Alcantara-wrapped walls with angular stealth geometry. Forged carbon lounges with lava orange stitching. A floating titanium console with holographic controls. An Italian espresso forge bar crafted from volcanic stone. The dining suite features a kinetic glass dining table that glows like a raging ember, paired with V12-inspired leather throne chairs. Thioatom bedroom of the immortals. Your chamber floats in Lamborghini drama. A levitating king bed with scissor wing frames. Dynamic light shards that mimic city skylines at night. A ceiling projection system that can transform into constellations, the raging bull constellation shining brightest. Section spa chamber, fury meets serenity. Obsidian rain shower walls, onyx steam capsule, and a gold thread towel vault. Aromatherapy vents release custom Lamborghini fragrances like Azzurro Tempest to an Inferno Nero. Technology, unleashed. Lamborghini Ego Mode AI Butler adapts mood lighting, driving aggression, and even fragrance to your pulse. Quad electric V16 hybrid core, 1,350 plus HP equivalent. 0-100 km/h in 4.6 seconds in a motorhome. Magneto Ride 4.0 suspension with predictive road sculpt mapping. Fighter jet HUD windscreen with our navigation overlays. The safety, supremacy, the Lamborghini signature. Level 3.5 autonomous corridor drive system with bull-like lane dominance. Adaptive escape pods. Dual sporty scooters docked inside. Ad-person Royale program may choose finishes like Avellino, Venom Gold, Verd Fulmine, Lightning Green, or Nero Volcano, Volcanic Black. Engrave your initials into the forged carbon dash. Or let Sant'Agata's master painters craft your personal Tempesta crest by hand. Thy degrees are storm worthy of emperors. Starting at $4.9 million USD, with Veloce editions surpassing $7 million, the 2026 Lamborghini Tempesta Regale is more than travel. It is sovereignty at 300 km/h, a theater of fire and thunder rolling on asphalt. Because you don't take the road, you make the world tremble with every mile. Would you choose the Lamborghini Tempesta Regale for your ultimate escape, or is even a Super Yacht too timid in comparison? Like, comment, and subscribe for more bull-born expressions of limitless luxury.